Welcome to Canvas. By this time, you would have logged in and you would be looking at a page similar to this. This is our home page. Here is where we would have all of the courses that we would teach, the grades for all of the courses. I only have one course, so that's why we see this, and the calendar. And the calendar is something that is built by the assignments and due dates that you put in for each of your courses. On this very top part, we have something called settings. And here at settings, this is where we set up personal configurations that we use for all of our courses. So for example, if you wanted to add another email address, you could add another email address. If you wanted to add a cell phone number for texting, you could add that. One important thing to note about this settings is you're going to want your students to set up their settings, because this allows students, if some students want to receive their notifications, which were announcements on Blackboard, if they want to receive that via text, they would need to be able to go in here and set their preferences here under ways to contact. That allows your notifications that you send to go to whatever method that student has selected. It will always go to their email because that's a default. So that's an important thing to note. One other thing to note is here there is something called registered services. So for example, if you're using a class that you're anticipating having Skype, or you have a Twitter account and you're going to be sending out tweets, this is where you would enter that information so students would have access to that. So that's just the first step of setting up your settings. I want to go back to the home page now, and we want to start our course. So to start a course, we just click on this button, Start a Course, and we'll call this Teaching Online 201, Create a Course, and here we've created a course. So thank you for watching this video. At this point, you should have created a course. Look for the next video on setting up your course. Bye-bye.